Hey, tribe, I got some stuff to show y'all today. I cannot wait to show you all the things that I have gotten to brand my business. So let's dive right in. Hey, tribe, welcome in. Let's chat. Today, I'm going to be reviewing Wear the Promise. Wear the Promise is a custom printing and branding shop for small businesses and kingdom communities. So if you're looking for custom tees like this one, or custom hoodies, sweatsuits, printing for bags, tote bags, things like that, anything that you're looking for, Wear the Promise has it for you. And I just wanted to share the business branding bundle that I received. I actually purchased it with my own money. So this isn't a sponsored video, but if you do want to shop, you can use my affiliate link that will be linked in the description box so that you can get a percentage off. And just a disclaimer, I do get a small commission, but trust me, go and get that discount. Click the link so that you can get the discount. But I just love her products. And this is actually one of them. These is her designs. And I thought that this was perfect for this time of year because as we have been discussing about how a lot of people are going to be opening small businesses over the next 6 months because we need the extra income, right? We need to have another way to brand ourselves, and we need to be able to put ourselves out there so we can have another stream of income. So Kingdom Entrepreneur is one of her shirts. I love this shirt. This is actually in my brand colors because one of my brand colors is blue and white. So you can get these customs. If you look on her website, you can find these in many different colors. Just reach out to her and ask. She is so helpful. But I'm not going to keep talking on and on. I want to dive into what I purchased. So what I purchased was the business branding bundle, which comes with a tumbler, a note-taking book, as well as a shirt. So on my shirt, I ordered my logo. So this is perfect for small businesses, but I'm gonna venture out and say that this is even perfect for personal branding. When you're personal branding, even on your job, people are gonna know, like, hey, that's her cup. That's her shirt. Every time they see it, they will identify it with who you are. So you can brand it any type of way you want to. So even if you're an entrepreneur and you like, but I don't have no logo, you don't need a logo. Talk to Dorita and she will help to bring your vision to life. Trust me, as she has done with mine. So let's dive into what I received. And a disclaimer for real, y'all. I was so thirsty. I couldn't wait to open it. So I already opened the box, but I still wanted to show you guys what I received. So let's dive in. First thing we're going to dive into is the shirt that I received. The shirt actually has my logo on it. And it's actually in my brand colors. Oh my goodness, look at this shirt, y'all. Isn't that cute? So if you didn't know, my online persona name is Impact and Results. My colors are burgundy, navy blue, gold, and white, and a beige color. So I got plenty to work with, right? As you can see. So I love this shirt. It is so soft. And the printing lays so beautifully on there. I love the way it lays. It's highly pigmented, and she gonna kill me for saying this, but for real, like I don't follow directions well when it comes to shirts. I'll be washing and drying, and let me tell you, I will wash and dry her shirts 100 times, and they still look the same way that they did when I purchased them. So, but don't do as she said and hang them. You can hang dry them. But don't be hard-headed like me and throw them in the dryer. At least I throw them in there inside out, right? But don't throw them in the dryer, but actually wash them and clean them the way that they're supposed to. But I love the softness of this shirt. You can also see that her branding is on the inside, but if you will be selling your shirts, then you can actually have that removed, but I'll let you talk to her about all of that. But I just love the texture. They're perfect for this time of year. They're perfect for when I'm running errands, because a lot of people, especially like when they see this, or they see my Kingdom Entrepreneur shirt, they ask me like, oh, what is it that you do? Or what is impact and results? So if you're looking for a conversation starter and for people to ask you more about your business, these shirts are a perfect way for you to actually show off your business. And when you're just running errands and you ain't got nothing to wear, these are perfect as well. But they will be conversation starters. So be on the lookout for people to say, hey, where did you get your shirt? Or what does that mean? So check these out. So that is the shirt. Then next, oh my goodness, next we have this beautiful journal. Now, before I show y'all the journal, we actually discussed like how I wanted it to look. And I always said that, you often see books and journals, and when you see a Black woman, you normally see her with an afro, and of course you see all these long beautiful locks that I have, and I'll be like, why don't they make some with girls with locks on them? So I said, girl, make my girl have some locks because I want it to relate to me. But it is kept on brand. It has my brand colors as well. But here she is. Isn't she beautiful? I hope that you guys can see that, but I'm also going to put a photo of her outside of the wrapping so that you can see her. But isn't she gorgeous? She has her hair wrapped up in locks. She is also wearing my brand colors, the gold and the blue, and it came with this beautiful pin. Oh my goodness, I am so in love. But I'm going to also put a picture of it so you can see it very clearly and very well. But this is the creative direction of Dorita. She did such an awesome job with this, and I just love it. And it matches my shirt, so still on brand. And then lastly, I got a tumbler. This is the full bundle, so you can get just the shirt or just the journal and the shirt or all three. Personally, I'm gonna tell you to get all three because you're gonna use all three of them anyway. But I also got this cute tumbler that I can take everywhere, that I can sit here and have to drink, that you guys will probably see on a lot of videos because you get thirsty. Shooting all these videos and talking a lot, you get really thirsty. So I wanted you guys to see this. But look, on the one side, you can see that it has impact and results on it, which is my business logo. And then on this side, it has the matching logo that was on my note-taking journal. Isn't that nice? Oh my goodness. And it's the perfect size and it's cute. You can put whatever you want in here, honey. At some point, some wine probably gonna be in here for me. But this is perfect for water. And it also comes with straws as well as a cleaning tool as well. So you can be real cute and dainty, or you can just, drink it like this. For my fellas, you just want to drink it like that. But she has mugs as well, but I'm more of a tumbler type of girl. So well, I like both, but I'm more of a tumbler girl, which is why I got my tumbler. So as you can see, everything matches. It is so beautiful. So check her out if you are looking to brand, even if you don't have a logo. Like I made my own logo, but like everything else, I have the vision for it, but I'm not really creative in that way to actually create something. She can create whatever you need. And also, if you are looking to develop your website, if you need a website refresh, or you're just like, I need to start a website, whatever it is that you need to do, she can also do that for your personal branding and small business branding as well. So check out Wear the Promise at wearthepromise.com. You can use my code IMPACT at checkout to get a percentage off. I believe it's 10% off. Don't forget, I do get a small commission, but use it to get your percentage off. And if you have no idea what it is that you want to do, book a consultation with her, and then guys can kind of collaborate and see how you can make your vision come to life. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this review. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me or Dorita. And I hope that you all enjoy this and have an awesome day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.